friend, welcome back to another video center. As you can see, I have Shopkins nail kit. As you can see, these are nail polish and a suitcase, and I'm really excited to open it. Let's unbox. Okay, so ta-da! It's open. Oops. So now let's look at that. This box, the suitcase. It is really nice. Like, look at that. The Shopkins are made on it, and it is made of steel. And let's see these. Ooh, what's this? Stickers. See, mini stickers, and I guess these are nail stickers, right? See, it looks so nice. Yay! And these are nail polish. This is a nail polish, which is in pink color, I guess. Let's unbox. Wow! Oh my god! Just look at this. Okay, and another is in blue color. Wow. Okay, now close. And now let's open this box. How to open it? Okay, it's open. See how it looks.